Hello guys, this is Sazzad and today I'm gonna show you about some Excel files things we just practiced in our classroom. You guys probably forgot about how to find total, average, minimum, maximum and other things. So here I am to help to show you how to do everything exactly in this video. So I have that question where we already got in our classroom. So I just imported the values here. So it's a little bit time consuming to do. Okay, we got it, and I will just start with the margin lines. You can see it's on the left side of the column, left side of the row. So why not just as per the question, we first need to merge it in the middle. So I'm just gonna do it, just click on the two row and press margin center. You can see it's already merged and it's showing in the center. Same thing to do with average. Margin center, margin center, margin center. Simple enough. Okay, we got it. Now it's time to do some calculation. You know, we can do easily things like select these things and press hard sum, and then we will get the result. But we must need to find out the values, how to find manually. So I'm gonna show you how to do this manually. In fact, we already learned from the class, do it manually rather than do it automatically. I mean without the help of AutoSum. So here I'm gonna show you how to do this. So we're first going to find out the total for C column. I mean, here we have two rows in C column: 40,000, 9,000 and 20,000. So we're gonna find out the total. So to do this, we just need to first give an equal and then write sum, as we are going to do the addition, and then give a first bracket and the column number is C and row number is 2. So write C2 and press Sazzad. And the end of the column, I mean, is the 20,000 we are going to find. So the last line is 20, so that's in C column, and row is 4. And the line with the bracket and press enter. So you got the addition and total. Simple enough. And to find out the average, it's also the same rule. Just after giving equal, you just need to write average and then give first bracket, and same rule, C2 is the column and C4, and then press enter. We got the value of average between C2 and C4. Same thing for minimum, just write MIN, short form, minimum, and then write C2 Sazzad C4, and then press enter. We got it, we got the value. And to find out the maximum, give it equal and write M, max. Max is for maximum, and then press and then give a first bracket and the column number C2 Sazzad C4, and then give and the line with the enter, first bracket, and then give enter. Well, we got the value. So basically the thing is, we need to do same thing for the D column, but what I'm gonna do is not to do these things, same thing, write the manual things here and find out the values. It's a time consuming, so I'm not gonna do that. In fact, we have already got to know, we have all know that from the class that we don't need to do that. We can simply do these things just pressing on the value and then wait for the plus. We got the plus mark and then just pull it sideways. So the value will come out, you know. You can see same thing for the average, just press and pull it sideways. Same thing, minimum, just pull the mouse. Okay, so you got it. Now to find the profit, you know, we got the things. I mean, PC is at 40,000 is selling and the cost is 35,000. So basically we can say the profit is actually 5,000, but we're gonna show manually by just minusing the selling and cost price. So what I'm gonna do is just to find out this, just first write equal to and then find out the column number. Column is C and the row number is 2. C2 minus D2 is a cost, and this is actually D, column number D, row number 2. So C2 minus C, D2, simple enough, and then write and then press enter. Yeah, you can see it says 5,000 as I said, but you need to show it in the Excel file. You cannot minus things or plus things in your calculator and then just write it in the Excel file. That's quite ridiculous, you know. Okay, got it. So the profit, got it on you know, I don't want to write everything manually. It's so time consuming, you know, and minusing everything. So the same thing, just press your mouse in profit 5,000 and wait for the plus mark, and when you get the, just pull it till the end, and that's it. We got the result. Simple enough. Now it's time to border the lines. Okay, to border the lines, just click on everything and select everything, and that's the line we want to border. So border, that's it. We're gonna do all border. So just press on it and you can see the border is set here. So number one question is already solved. I guess there is no problem to understand how to do it. And the next second question, and in the second question, the question is actually show the profit of the different products of question 1 by using column chart. So we need to find the column chart of the different products. So what I'm gonna do, just press the products with the name and paste it here, Ctrl P, and also just profit, Ctrl C, copy, and Ctrl P. Whoa, you can see the values are not coming, but don't worry about that. I'm gonna solve this. Just press here and just give values only. Wow, magic. So it's done, but you know, it's already all bordered, but here it's not. So why not just sort this thing with all borders, format cells. You can do this way also, outline. Okay, you can see it's showing red. And now it's time to find the column chart, product by product. So just select this thing and then go to insert, column, 2D. Okay, that's it. We found out this column chart. So number 2 question is also solved. So come to the number 3 question. Well, you can see we have already the ID and the name and the basic. It's actually payment related issue. which will be solved in Excel file. So you can see the basic salary is 12,000 for Sazzad and 11,000 for Kais and 8,000 for Laden. Okay, so also you can see the rent is 50% from basic, and the Tran 50%. EPF is 15%. I don't know what is EPF, and the tax is 5%. So to find out this thing, there is also a manual thing. Just write equal to, and then find out the basic of Sazzad. I mean, which column is the column number C and row number 23. So write C23 into means star, and then rent is 50%. I'm gonna write is 0.50 instead of 50%. That's it, and then press enter. And I'm not gonna do the same thing for the other two lines. It's the same thing. To just copy from the main thing, as is the rent is 50% for all users. I mean all name, and Tran is 50%. So say rule C23 into 0.50, and then press, sorry, forget to keep equal to, and then press enter. So you can see the value is 6,000 for Tran as well. It's because it's a 50%. And do the same thing, copy and pull it. Got it. And it's time to find out the EPF. So first write same rule, equal to C23 into, as is a 15%, so you need to write 0.15, and then press enter, and pull it, copy and pull it. And tax is 5%. So C23 into, that makes a star 0.05, and then press enter. Oh sorry, forgot to give equal to. I was so excited, that's why I forgot doing something every time. Yeah, anyway, you gotta fix it and then press enter. 600, copy it and pull it. Got it. So we already found out the rent, Tran, EPF, tax. Now it's time to gross. I mean, what will be debit and what will be credit. So in payment mode, I mean, you need to do just name, sorry, basic, rent and Tran plus. You need to sum these things. So to find out gross, just start with basic. Basic is, first thing is C23. C20, sorry, forgot to equal sum. C23 says that Tran 23, and then press enter. Same thing. Oh sorry, I'm not gonna do it. Why not? I'm just press it and copy and pull it. Got it. And now to find a total deduct. You know, EPF and tax. I don't know, as I said earlier, that I don't know what is EPF means, but I got to know that about the class, from the class, that you need to debit these things from the gross. So that's obviously deduction. So find out the total deduct, EPF and tax. So sum them. Sum. First bracket, EPF is F column number, and row number is 23, such that G20 23, and the line with this bracket and the percentage. Well, I got the value. Pull it, copy it and pull it. So done. And the next thing is net. I mean the total salary Ajad, Kais and Layden going to get. So we have the gross and we have the total deduct. So we can find out the net easily by minusing gross from total deduct. So there you go. So gross is actually GH, column number H. First write equal and H. Call row number is 23 minus total deduct is an I column, and the row number is 23, and then press enter. So you got the value. I mean, we got the salary, net salary Ajad will get 21,600. We can find easily by doing this way, Kais and Leo, but we're gonna do this only copying and pulling it. So we got the value, we got the salary, net salary. So I'm gonna border these things, so this will looks very good. Border, all borders. So that's done. So in this video we have solved 3 things: found a total, average, minimum, maximum, and also found out the column chart. And the second thing is we found out the basic. We have found out the rain, tran, EPF, and tax, and gross, and total deduct and net. I hope you guys will find this very useful. This is Sazzad. Thanks for watching this video.